My name is Olivia Copley and we're currently at Wentworth Woodhouse in my Rhubarb by Candlelight exhibition. It's all about the Rhubarb Triangle and it gives an experience of what it would be like inside a rhubarb shed. This garden was inspired by this location, which is very synonymous with the Rhubarb Triangle, which connects Wakefield, Bradford and Leeds. It was started by Joseph Whitwell, who discovered forcing rhubarb and started producing it in this area. And it became really successful that they were then shipping it to London for the markets there. It was a really, really good fruit because other fruits weren't out at the time. So the need for it was really great and it has such a lovely flavour. The Pennines is very great for the growing conditions because it was known for a frost pocket. So it was really, really great. And then the sheds were cheap to have the coal in to heat the rhubarb over winter. So it was the ideal location for rhubarb growing. So the design of the space, so it's in a raised border and we've put lots of mulch. So when you go in, you'll be able to smell all the mulch as well, which is exactly what you'd be able to smell in a rhubarb shed. And then I've picked out colours with deep reds, deep oranges and pinks to try and capture the really beautiful stems of the rhubarb. And then I've used plants like eucharis with really interesting foliage to try and capture that, the very unique shape of the leaves. And yeah, I've also included some really beautiful dahlias with quite dark foliage to kind of blend into the backdrop slightly, and some white gora to kind of contrast with that too. It's been a really great experience designing this garden and I really hope it inspires some of you to grow some rhubarb and maybe make some nice rhubarb crumble as well.